Introducing the PASCARI D206V, the 256 terabyte class PCIe Gen 5 data center SSD, scaling data center density up to 8 times, from a 30.72 terabyte SSD, expanding to 245.76 terabytes in a single drive, leveling up to 5.9 petabytes in a 24-bay server. And that's 118 petabytes per 42-unit rack, and an impressive 1.4 exabytes per 12-rack pod. Our data universe is exploding, from 175 zettabytes in 2025 to more than 1,000 zettabytes by 2030. And all that data must be stored to keep up with data growth, to be sustainable, and to protect the bottom line. Enterprises must maximize capacity. The next great data cascade is here, driven by content consumption, big data analytics, and the rise of AI. It's time for storage to level up, so we can continue to push boundaries and reach for the stars. Phison, engineering imagination together.